Applovin has been one of the strongest stocks in the market. Today we saw it got absolutely slaughtered late in the afternoon session with a epic 10-minute down candle. What the heck caused Applovin to fall over 14%, and it even was almost down 20% at the lows? Well, simply speaking, Applovin had an SEC probe come late into the session. The report from the SEC states that the SEC has been looking into allegations that Applovin violated platform partner service agreements to put out more targeted ads to people, citing people familiar with the matter. So obviously, whenever the SEC is looking into, it's not a good thing. Investors certainly exited stage left today, and we fulfilled the upside move, and this stock absolutely ran crazy to the upside. It was one of the strongest stocks in the market since it was included into the S&P 500. I actually lost some money shorting this stock, but nevertheless, it has fallen to the downside. And you have to wonder, is Robinhood next? Is Robinhood going to be seeing a probe just like Applovin? Robinhood has been one of the stronger stocks in the market, also being included into the S&P 500. We've seen massive insider selling by 7 key insiders last month, including Vlad Tenev, the CEO of Robinhood, dumping over $500 million just over the last few trading sessions. And are we going to see the SEC come out with a probe against Robinhood and their prediction markets? The SEC probe is kind of giving us a little bit of a taste into what this newer S&P 500 company could go through. And believe it or not, if the SEC probes Robinhood based off of their NFL prediction markets, which they absolutely can, you will see Robinhood also collapse, most likely double-digit gains. So just protect your gains if you're long Robinhood, because again, we're starting to see some of these newer S&P 500 companies get looked at with a fine-tooth comb.
Yeah.